What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Got another advert just before we start the video. I know you're probably getting a little bit frustrated with these, but for those that don't know, YouTube is very expensive. I am trying to work out a way to do YouTube full time, and these ads do help massively. I'm still working 2-3 days a week. Ad revenue still not quite there. I know the channel is getting bigger. I've still got a little bit more growing to do, I think, to be able to fully rely on ad revenue. So I know it can be a little bit frustrating. I prefer not to be putting these ads in the videos, but just remember in the back of your head that if it's not for these ads, it's going to be very difficult for me to continue to bring you guys content. So anyway, this video is brought to you by Sambos Tyres, a family-run tyre shop for over 15 years. As you would have seen from the vlog, they're very passionate about cars and also giving their customers the best service possible. Whether you've got a car, van, 4x4, these guys offer the most competitive prices when it comes to tyres. Also, alloy refurbishment, powder coating and diamond cutting is available. They're located in North London. You can find them at www.sambostyres.co.uk, or you can find them on Instagram at Sambos Tyres. All the links will be in the description below. I'll now put you back into the video. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today it's going to be a little vlog. I thought I'd bring you guys with me. So I'm doing a collab with Empire UK. You would have already seen the video I did a few months back. So it's like a little cruise. We're going to start in Beaconsfield services. Also another group called Dem R1 Boys. So it's like a bike group, car group, LLF mixed into one. I wasn't actually going to vlog it, but I thought, you know, everyone's going to message me on Instagram, so I'm just going to film something just in case. Royal Rentals, they've brung me in. They've given me a Bentley Bentayga. Let's have a look at the cargo. So yeah, they give me a Bentley Bentayga. I'll show them the cargo. Now we do. So yeah, it's a 4-litre diesel, brand spanking new. This car's actually just come back from the Gumball Rally. So massive shout out to Royal Rentals for hooking this up. Just got it for the day. Check out these lights, man, they're insane. I don't know the price, I don't know the specs on this car, but I know it's got night vision. But yeah, we're just gonna chill, man. Got Gov on the camera as well. You should know Gov by now, RS4 owner. Also got my friend Ali in the back. Gonna go pick up Emma, and we're gonna go pick up my other friend Leslie. So yeah, man, just enjoy the video. We're just gonna chill and just go with the flow. Now we do, baby.
So what's this, the W12?
No, I don't know. I really don't know. But I know it's seriously quick. Feels like it's got like 3 turbos, not 2.
Yo.
Yo, where you at?
I'm on the way to Beaconsfield now.
Okay, I'm just going to grab Leslie. I'll meet you there, yeah? Just picked up Leslie. Say hello, Leslie.
Yo, what you saying?
The return.
What you saying, man? We're back here, baby. You feel me?
Guys, finished.
Yeah.
Sneak Mo's cousin. Turns out I'm not picking up Emma now. She's gonna go head down there with her mate. One of my friends that drove the C63 that time. He's behind in another C63. He's trying to look. There he goes.
Jeez.
Ali, official Big F, Insta, LF gang.
Plugging himself. I've all been plugged in that. I've all been plugged in that.
Bro, we're going Beaconsfield, man. Ross, Beaconsfield service has got petrol station.
Dylan's coming in.
What are you saying, Tommy?
I've got to get there, Ross.
Huh?
You need to get there, man.
Oh, go on, I'll tell Dylan to meet us
Yeah,
there.
tell him to say it.
We're on the way to the Beaconsfield services to meet the convoy of cars heading up to London, which will be an amazing event today.
Wow.
The whole voice went different.
Yeah.
Yes, right. Ali.
The man was talking like you chatted to a friend or something.
Yeah.
Man don't even know how to turn it. Where's the key?
Yeah, look, there isn't a button.
He's looking for the key.
Oh, see.
I should go Ablu.
What the fuck was Ablu? I thought it was some African word. Ablu and that.
Don't do that.
I'm putting £8 in. 9.
Say it again, what was that?
550 brake horsepower Skyline. Speak to Thomas, he'll sort it out.
Whoa. A lot of guys are pulling out their weapons today.
You ever seen a nigga hung with a gold chain? I rather sing about the same things that we claim. Such a smash, but with niggas like the task force, mobbing on the streets and robbing stores and scheme ass, bruh. Niggas ask for peace in the riot and bring violence. Cause it's a game of cat and mouse and you gon' bleed silent. What's the justice in saying fuck it and grab the pump? To kill a woman with many children makes you a chump.
You need to just go to the centre and just stop. And just jump out.
I just burn out.
I wish I was in a McLaren right now.
Know that.
Wow.
Bare cars.
A lot of followers here, man.
Right there, you can park.
Big turnout. Big turnout.
T-Brum. So, man, good? Yes.
That's good.
Guys, craziness. Look at this. Looking like sideways Sid.
I like how you just faded me out, you know.
Oh shit, DMO innit?
Bad man,
Yeah,
start with them gun salute. You know them ones there. You know them ones there. Gun salute and them
What you saying, man?
Oh, go on, brother.
Yeah, man, bless. Oh, yeah, so you saying, man, you good, yeah? Where you in? Golf, yeah?
Yeah, my golf car, man.
See, I mean, always getting a feature. Saying, man?
You saying,
Good.
Chuki?
Yeah, man, bless. Good, good. What you saying, you alright?
Can you give me one of these tracksuits?
What, they're for sale, man?
Yeah, I know they.
Black man online.
What are you trying to say you're going to give
No,
me?
I only got the grey and I've got a grey and a khaki for myself, innit? But the blacks.
I'm like
I only got the blacks. What are you saying, man? We're going to get this on the channel is what I need to know.
Soon.
Man's all like holding it down, isn't it? Oh, the no one now. What's he done?
A lot more crackers than Pops. He hasn't actually done anything. Remember, it's on for sale at the moment.
It's for sale?
Yeah. So
Okay.
he's ordered his competition pack.
Yeah.
And he's waiting for that. That will be coming next year. But so for the time being, he's giving this to BMW so that they can sell it.
This is the best car here, boys. Best car here.
Remember Jamie?
P1 22B. Just caught Ricky eyeing up the RS3.
Where?
Just caught
Was
him.
it RS3?
Yeah.
No, I'm looking at the. Oh shit! Man, this alcohol.
No,
What is it?
juice. Sparkly juice.
Head to toe and the t-shirt as well. No man don't shut up, man. No man
And the hat as well, and the hat.
We're not going to be able to stay with you, obviously.
What, the BP or?
We need to go. Carl needs to get petrol.
Yeah, slow down. You gonna be at the BP?
He's a madman.
Oh, he's
He's a
gang.
madman.
Been there, done it. Live and direct.
Alright, big up the cameraman.
Big up.
So yeah, we're at second location now. I don't know what we're doing, man. It's just started raining. We're gonna be here till about 8 o'clock. Don't know what time it is now. It's about 7. We back, baby. We back. These don't want to know me no more, man. Look. Yeah.
Last time we got negative
Wicked, bro. Yeah, there was a bit of negativity.
Last time we got negative comments.
We do with negativity nice out here, though. Yeah.
Yeah. Man, Lyrie.
Say, man, you good?
Yeah, not too bad, brother.
Any updates?
We've got a lot in the pipeline. I'm ready to film when you are, pretty much. Couple weeks and we're good to go, man.
Yeah, I see, man. You're looking a little bigger, man.
Hey, nah.
It's proof
Still.
it works. It's working.
Obviously,
What
put
are
it
you
in.
eating? What are you eating?
Boy.
Broccoli and all that.
Nah, don't eat that.
No
I just don't
broccoli?
eat the wrong stuff, bro.
Yeah?
Not the wrong things, innit? Cut out bread, starchy products.
Yeah?
Don't eat that kind of stuff.
Bro, if you put my watch, everything on YouTube, there, like 45,000 people saw it, fam. I'm gonna get ready soon.
Man's back.
Already back, boy.
Yeah. What you saying, you alright?
Yeah, good, man.
Yeah, it's your guys, yeah? You saying you alright, yeah? Fucking hell. GCR is different, innit?
I won't even start mine up.
Yeah, not for
I
that.
won't even start.
So how you been, man, alright?
Yeah, alright, mate. You?
Man's big man now, yeah?
You always like putting the
24
camera in
now.
my face.
No missing today?
Nah, not today, nah.
Yeah.
Car meet day, so, innit?
Yeah, man. LLF.
You know,
Empire.
That's it. Where you at?
Man's always ducking the camera. You saying you good, yeah? Wicked, man. I've got people messaging me all the time saying they want to see a part 2.
Yeah, we do have,
I know you
we'll
was a
do
bit
part
sick.
two.
You was a bit ill that day, weren't you?
I felt a bit unwell.
What was it, hay fever or I don't
hay
even know.
fever.
fine. Any changes since?
Nah, no changes, man. Gonna sell it now. Gonna get M3 FAE.
Yeah. Location, as you can see, a lot of cars.
I'll get down there.
Ricky made that left because of me. I inspired him. Remember that?
I can't even vlog, but all I can say is, yeah, it's just mad, innit? Like, you can see what's going on. DK, where you learn them skills, man? Where you need to teach me, man?
Pumping like Reeboks. And every day I came, my name Sprout. Some brothers are still virgins, the crack never came out. I got the wild style, always been a foul child. My guns go boom boom and your guns go pow pow. Known to have my body open, I keep the shotty smoking. Fruit in half the balls and your body broken.
So yeah, we're at the final spot now. As usual, more chaos. I don't really like to use chaos, man. TGE likes to non-stop use these words, but it is. What else can you describe this place? Them vlogs where you just...
You sound tired.
I am.
You actually
bare
sound
tired.
it though, you're like, vlog mode.
What's the time? It's near 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock, man.
Yeah, but you sound like your energy's giving up.
Guys, was that not the best sounding car so far? Full house customs in the
What's
house.
happening? How are you doing, man? You well?
Yes.
How are you, man?
Yeah, man, I'm alright. You wrapped it. What colour was
Wrapped
it?
it in black rose, and we took it off, and now it's as it is, white, and I've got all carbon at the bottom.
Mate, it looks...
Yeah, I
like
think
10 out of 10.
I think I've got there now. It's taking me about 15 grand.
You live, bro? You made the vlog.
Big man.
Say, man.
You say.
Boss, man.
Took on the GTR and the Porsche 911.
Okay.
Took it out.
Which 911 was it? Carrera?
It was a turbo, but it was one of the slightly older ones. You have
997, man.
Yeah. They had no chance. No chance at all. This car
So this is quick, yeah?
It's an absolute monster.
I'm waiting in the car for you. That's what I'm saying right now.
much?
I don't want to walk like 20 miles through London.
London, baby. Car culture back on the channel.
Yeah, man. You know this.
What, any changes to the car?
It's stage 2 now, so it's 410 brake.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, I'd like to do a video with you, get the air ride tested.
Air ride, and what was that on a Golf R, you say, innit?
Yeah, man.
Is that you, yeah?
I've got a 1,000 brake engine coming in, so
yeah?
I'm uprating the diff, so we'll go out for a spin.
Please, bro, man.
Alright, my bro.
Man's waiting.
Bless.
Yeah, man, nice. What's it like?
This one?
Yeah.
It's calm, bro. It's calm.
997 turbo, yeah?
Yeah. Manual, bro.
What you had before this?
I had the 2 Series, man.
2 Series?
Yeah.
What 2 Series?
Diesel, you know that?
Swear?
Yeah.
What was it like getting into this after that?
Bro, different, man. Hard.
Whole different world.
Whole different world, bro. But you know what? It's actually easy to drive, man.
Easier, yeah?
Super easy, bro.
Yeah, puts the power down, right?
That's
4-wheel drive.
100%. 4-wheel drive, puts the power down, manual's easy. It's like 2000.
Oh, is it manual? Oh, no, it's not manual. Manual? No way. Full turbo.
Last one's in manual, bro.
Manual.
Yeah.
Yeah, you should drop me a message, man. Would you hear a little video?
Yeah, definitely. I'll drop you a message. Yeah,
please.
100%.
Oh shit. Run them up.
Yeah,
what tune?
HTP.
Cool. What's it? 400?
Yeah, 400.
Drop top life, yeah? Wicked.
Good?
Yeah, man. Cool.
Yeah.
What's this?
It's A3.
A3?
A5 3 litre. A5 3 litre diesel.
Yeah, diesel, yeah? Nice, man. Raptor.
Yeah, wrench.
What's the colour?
It's gloss fiery orange.
Mac man, Corey gun go bang. Street life got a knife, homie, run your chains. Mac.
Riding around the city and we do our thing. From a city that be known to do crazy things.
You already, I'm heavy, y'all. Stay in your lane, we ready. That steady, still playing the game, Mac.
Ladies at the show singing every hook. Why? But they finna get their panties took, so let's go.
Hey, y'all don't get the picture before we go back. Looking back, cooking like scoliosis. The take this slide, straight up your nose. This time, I up the doses. This my closest to perfection, my magnum opus. The magnum smoking, I'm safe, like when the magnum opens. What y'all promoting? Sex lies and moving religion. Now how ironic, them jeans and got no venom, no DNA. Won't see the day. You crash my set, little mama, no DNA. Nothing's a threat, zero drama, I'm such a threat. No need for checking my cuts, no, just cut the check.
Guys, that's it, man. I think this is like the 5th location. I think it's home time now. Home time, right? I'm like, God, you didn't been on camp yet.
Live life.
Live life. Yeah, guys, man, look, don't know how it's turned out, but I hope you did enjoy it. Subscribe if you're new to the channel. Definitely loads more content to come. I know it's a bit of a, rago vlog today, but still, like I say, hit the thumbs up, man. Thanks for watching.
Hey yo, you better flee hots or get your head flown 3 blocks. L keep rappers hearts pumping like Reeboks. And every year I gain clout and my name sprouts. Some brothers will still be virgins if crack never came out. I got the wild style, always been a foul child. My